What?
Hey, do you guys want to make a video?
Yeah!
Video?
What's the red button mean?
Oh.
Hey. Oh, okay, come on.
Okay, let's go.
This is where we are most of our life. MySpace.com.
Oh. What's, any new messages? New messages? New messages? Bye. Bye, Action. No. Where's the tequila girl when you need her? Can you see her?
Okay, so I just sent this girl a message. We're all into the list. Sent this girl a message because her thing says, Tila Coquila, Haggerty High School, Killa. All right, what is this right here? Walking around school. Just going down. I feel like I'm inside Titanic or something. Oh, you're gonna rip my hair out. You're gonna rip my hair out. New refresh. Yeah!
We get it. Ready? I can't. So just click the new messages.
Okay.
What does it say? What does it say?
Okay,
this
if
is long.
it's seriously that big of a deal to you, then I'll take it off. But firstly, don't even are you really sorry, but that's the truth. I've never seen you in my life, or didn't steal. Because that's why you added me, because you've never seen my MySpace
song,
before.
So excuse me for doing nothing but what? Sorry, I stole your name.
Oh, be like,
fuck that.
I don't care if you know
No,
me.
this is
I don't know anybody.
Ron.
You don't know me. Ron Rickles.
I was like, Ron. You gotta get it. Guys, I'm
Video camera? How are you doing?
These things need to go in the laundry basket.
Right.
Let me ring these things out for you.